This is a story about a Virginia rail that the Orleans Audubon Society rescued in New Orleans. On October 11th, John Nelson responded to a call from Joe Willis. Joe was on his way to work when he noticed a group of crows that were attacking something on the median of Elysian Fields Avenue. The rail had suffered some sort of collision from either a car or window and was concussed, unable to fly, and needed rest. Fortunately, the next morning, it was much more alert, active, and vocalizing loudly. The bird was a little underweight, so feeding it prior to release would increase its chances of survival. It refused to eat on its own in a captive setting, so I hand-fed it some minnows. Virginia rails eat insects, snails, spiders, minnows, slugs, crawfish, frogs, and in the wintertime, they also add plant materials and seeds to their diet. When hand feeding a bird, rubbing the throat encourages it to swallow, and it's best to make sure that the bird has swallowed its food before giving it more. Collisions pose a serious hazard to birds such as the Virginia rail. Collisions with buildings probably kill between 100 million and 1 billion birds each year in the United States alone. If birds are colliding with your windows, please consider contacting or visiting featherfriendly.com to find the solution that's right for your home or office. I banded the Virginia rail prior to releasing it. Bands are placed higher up on the leg on Virginia rails to keep them from becoming entangled in vegetation. This secretive marsh bird seldom affords us good looks, so we followed this one for a few minutes until it disappeared into dense marsh grass. This Virginia rail was a young bird, hatched this year, that is molting into adult plumage. Virginia rails spend the winter in Louisiana and are present here from October through mid-April. We hope you enjoy these close looks at this Virginia rail. Your donations on Giving Tuesday will allow the Orleans Audubon Society to help more wildlife. Please remember the Orleans Audubon Society on Giving Tuesday and also in your year-end giving. Thank you.